Good morning and welcome back to Isaac Magic Trading Community. And I would like to say thank you for those who attend the Q&A on Saturday and those who were also able to ask questions. Thank you very much. Actually, I apologize for my lateness because I was stuck in the traffic light, so things were a bit delayed. So those who couldn't stay because of the time factor, and please forgive me, okay? This week I'll be on time. Thank you very much. Okay. Before we start anything, we take a little ride in Sunday's setups that I posted in the Magic community. If you look at the Isaac Magic community, on Sunday, I posted some few in the midnight, and this trade did amazing well. Aussie New Zealand, you can see from here that Aussie New Zealand is doing exactly where we planned. Aussie Yen, it did well exactly to pay us, to pay the traders. The second one is, you can see from here, we got a little pound Oz, Euro Oz. Euro Oz also did his thing. You can see that we hit it up exactly, the TP. This was just the scalping. I mean, actually, Sunday opening, I don't like trading. So I try to give them something for them to keep going. And I believe that most of the setups did very well. Euro GBP is slammed down to the so low, and Aussie dollar as well. It did very well exactly to where we even break past this. So thank you everybody for coming, and I thank you for those who made money. Enjoy it, and you are still part of the magic. Okay, let's look at the Aussie card right now in the daily time frame. So Aussie card is doing his thing. When I say the market is doing his thing, it's still heading up. So we are waiting for Aussie card to come and finish here. Today, Aussie card is likely to come and finish this box. You need to take, it's gonna come here. So you need to take these guys out. Where's my notation to? Aussie card need to take these guys out. It's gonna take them out, and it's gonna end up, but I think it might even stop here. Okay, so we need to get a little bit of pullback. Any pullback that you're gonna get, you're gonna have a little move here, then we move up. Take your money from here. Take your money from here. Take your money from here. Then you take a ride. When you get there, or you can put into break even if you want. But right now, there's a good opportunity. The market is likely to complete this box. It's likely to reach here before we will slam down. So from here, wait for market to give you a little pullback here. This one will come down here, and then this is your profit. Okay, so keep your eyes on this. And this is very interesting that you might even have something they call it running flat bar. We don't trade those things. You can see for those who trade Elliott wave patterns, you can see you have your impulse, and you are looking for another impulse here. I explained to you on Sunday how this things works, but I personally don't trade them. I only trade pure price action. Okay, so keep your eyes on this one, and there is a lot of little juice inside for you to take. Aussie Chief as well, the same. Straight away to the daily time frame wise, it's also coming to head up. Let me move this line here. It's about to head up. Okay, so let's take it up to here. When I say a long-term trade, if it's a long-term, that does that it's gonna come straight line. It's gonna make a correction to take some orders before it drop down. So this is what we are looking for. But this week we can keep buying until Thursday, because the 3 days transaction, we really care about the 3 days transaction. So today and tomorrow, let the market flow, and then you get yourself. So to this week we are buying for some few days. 1 hour time frame as well. Looking at the 1 hour time frame, yes, market is likely to come and take us here. Okay, market is coming to take us here. Those who like short-term trades, this could be very interesting. This could be here, but it's a buy. Like I said, it's a buy. So wherever you are in this buy, you keep buying. It's slow, but it will have something. You know, you will have something before it comes down. Okay, so keep your eyes for this trade. You're gonna make some juice inside. Aussie New Zealand, Aussie Yen. Aussie Yen is where Aussie yen, I think we had it. Yeah, we had it wrong. It took us out from here because we were expecting market to draw back down here before it goes up. Okay. So we took small. I don't know if people take it, but me personally, I always look for the big move, not the small move here. Because for me, like I said, it doesn't really like this. I took the Euro Oz. That is the one that I took. So when the market reach here, when it hit up here, please keep your close eye here. Okay, those who are in the buy, you take your money out. Then you'll see what happens after here. Also New Zealand as well, you can see the drawing is exactly the same. Okay, you are looking for the buy, so you're gonna take, this is your target. Okay, this is your target. Go for your buy. When you break this top, you put into break even. It might do this and do, or it might keep going. So it's still a buy. Keep your close eye there. Then we see how it goes. Aussie dollar. Also, they say we are looking for it to tag that a bit down. Come and take this. So buy stops here is more safer. Okay, putting a buy stop here. After this tank down, we are going. Okay. Was it chief? Card chief. Okay, we are looking for downside. So will they do this, or it's gonna keep dropping down? We are not looking for this. Is just a forecast for you to see how far it might go. Maybe, like I said, maybe this has already done it with this, and then we come here, we test here, and we are coming down. Okay, so keep your eyes on the sell. This is your target. You're looking for PMV. Okay, if you get to PMV, initial buyers are here waiting. So look at how this goes, and we see what we can do. But this is your target, PMV point. Okay, so stay in tune and then keep your eyes on it. Cardian on Saturday, I was saying to you guys that how this was developing. You can see that we got the first bounce, we got the second bounce. We are not breaking the top here. This is the top. So we are lucky to come and take a third bounce. Okay, so we're gonna end up by having this, maybe test the top and drop. This is still in consolidation. This is not an impulsive move. It's just, market is just ranging to take the top and drop, or to come down here, take and drop. And if it does this, you got your first move, which will be an impulse. You got another move here, which is giving you some complex pattern here for one more move. So this can likely open and drop, or we are coming down here. So I would suggest that anytime you get double tops here, start attacking your sellers. Okay? Anytime you have double top here, look for your sellers and take down here. Then we break down and maybe we go, or you first take this one step at a time. Okay? Take this property and leave. Then, like I said, all what you need is 10 pips a day. This is giving you enough money. Don't be greedy. Just come out and wait for another opportunity. All right. Chief Yen. Chief Yen too has reached. It's going. Last night I was looking for a little bit pullback, but it still keep going because the bullish are very strong. So wait for the breakout, retest it, and we buy. Okay, don't just because this is making a pattern of expanding flat A, this is the B wave, and you're gonna get the C wave. There you go. Okay, so wait for another pullback here to come. You can put your line here. When we come back here, we get the buy. Don't just jump in. Don't just jump in. Wait for pattern to be clear. I personally don't like these small sales. Like I said to you guys, I don't like this. If it's like that, I don't take this trade. I only focus on this one. That is my style of trading. So I don't get myself looked in this, but I would rather take a buy for this one to come and they take me. Okay? It will still come down a bit before it goes anyway, so don't worry. Euro Oz, this is the trade that I personally took on Sunday night. This is the trade I took myself here. I put my take profit here. I sold it again, and then I put my TP here. So this will do some funny thing here, come back, or it will run down. So right now, what I'm seeing, there is no liquidity in the market. So I'm not rushing on this because this is very slow. It's very annoying. I like it on Sundays because when I wake up in the morning, I make some money. So keep a close eye. Those who are in the sell, nice one. Congratulations. Close your trade and let's see how it goes. All right. This pair is very slow, so I'm not gonna go deeper on forecasting, but this will be the target. This is my personal target from the sell. This is my target. Okay. So it will be doing this, and it's the moment you are on profit, the moment you are minus, the moment you are on profit, the moment you are minus. So I don't really like that. Eurocard, don't tell me about this because this is just some crazy correction he's doing. He's been doing this for some days and even months. Look at this. Okay, market is in range. It's in range weekly. It's in range. It's a buy, but I'm not going to advise anybody to stay in this market. It's very, very, very annoying. Euro Chief, yes, I'm looking to go long on this one. Okay, you can see that the forecast was from here. We took our sell. It came and bounced here. So let's look at what happened. Let's complete this one. They will be looking for the buy. Okay, we are looking for point of control. Okay, POC. When they reach, you must see who is in control. That will make a crucial decision for us. So on 1 hour time frame, yes, it's coming down now. So today, I will position myself somewhere here. If the market decides to sink down, I'm not in. But if you decide to target and move up, I'm in. Okay. So like I said, I've made my forecast. I stand in the bus stop. If the bus doesn't come, I'm not in the bus. If the bus comes, the right bus, I jump in and I travel. That is how I play my game. Okay. So it's part of discipline. This one as well, we are looking at point control. We're still ranging here. And I'm still expecting this is likely to come and take this top here before it drops. Because we have a gap here that is not filled, okay? So I'm still expecting this to come here, move up because we are still ranging above this line. So there is no control in this. This is an impulse. 1, 2, 3, we can get another move up, okay? So it's possible, but the way it's behaving, I'll wait for this. Like if you look at the pair, when I posted it, I said that this pair is not stable. Somebody asked me what is happening to this. I told them that it's not stable. But though I was able to forecast the downside here, I think up to this level, somewhere here or here, I'm not sure, somewhere here, I forecast for them. And I said, it's not stable, but you can get this sell. Yeah. I told them that it's not stable. So it's still likely to come and take the top here. It's still likely to come and take this before it turn down. Okay? So keep a close eye on it. This is a nice flag. All right. Next one. Euro dollar. Yes, euro dollar is also waiting for, we are waiting for him here. Okay. So we are still ranging here. Take this one down before we can make a decision for the sell. All right. So euro dollar is still also ranging. We have a sharp move here, correction, and another move. Can this move up here? Yes, it's possible, but one after another. There is no liquidity at the moment because the month has ended already and they'll be on farm payroll. So I believe that most of these pairs will be ranging, waiting for the final move. So keep a close eye on your trade. Pound dollar. We had open rejection here. Okay. So we are also, all of them are still in the consolidation. We are still waiting. It's a buy, okay? Today we're gonna break this top. We can break this one. And then we come down here, we can get this and then we drop. Okay, this is also a pattern that we know. I'm not trading patterns, but I can show you the characteristics of a pattern, how it formed, and how we can use it for trading. Okay, all right. Euro is going, euro is already, we are point of control or PWA. We have to take a very close eye on this. when you break out of PWV, when you break out from here, we are looking for this. Okay, so right now, we are still waiting for final decision. I'm waiting for a breakout. A breakout. And we are waiting for this breakout for him to make a decision for us. Yeah, I'm expecting this to go anyway. This will go. The daily is giving us more room. So this is likely to go today. So look for buyers here, okay? We have a strong buyer. So 15 minutes correction and we'll be going. Wait for this to pull back a bit here. Let's get a little bit of pullback. There we see, because you're having this. If you're talking about pattern wise, you're having this one here. Okay, before we go. So we're gonna wait. Breakout, retest and go. I'm looking for buyers. Okay, we are looking for buyers. So any buy opportunity, I will be taking it because you are in the initial buyer section. So any spike that you give me is called buyer's tail. I'm gonna take the buy. Any spike you give me here and I see that thing like a hammer for outside, I'm taking it. So it's a sign that I keep an eye. When I see such things, I'll go with this. Euro New Zealand as well. On Sunday webinar, I was speaking to one of the students or one of the guys in the room about how development this can be. And I explained to him that this will not be, he was saying this will do this. He's a pattern trader as well and go. And I said, no, it's not gonna do that. Before this will do this, we first have to come and finish this low. So I told him he's gonna come and finish this low before we're gonna do whatever decision it's gonna make. So exactly how it did. Those who were there knows exactly what I spoke about. So brother, just sometimes the pattern, like I said, there's characteristics of the patterns that we need to do. And this is exactly, you can see that. You can see the pattern I told you, that impulse, there will be another impulse here. This is the complete pattern, okay? You got your impulse here, and you are looking for this one. This is a B wave. So you can get this as another one here. So from here, decision making will take over. All right. So this is still on consolidation. We need to wait to see what he's gonna do. Okay, we need to wait. We are still looking for some buyers, but anytime he comes here, I'll take my buy because we are buyers are wait here. Okay. GA, we have open drive, very nice last week. And I explained to one of the guys that this market is about to hit up. So he took his buy from somewhere here. Yeah, because you saw the open drive pattern. So now it's still gonna go. We need to first complete this section first. Okay, either we break or retest and go, but still, it's still a buy. So let's see. Today, we are likely to clean this. We are likely to take this. Okay, we might be end up by coming up here. Take this thing before we do what it's gonna do. So there is a buy for today on. Both of them are very strong today. It seems like they are getting stronger today. So pound card, we are heading up. Also, we are heading up. We are above the point of control point. So we are heading up. So look for your buyers. Any correction that you get, you buy. Any pullback, you buy. We are buying this. Where is my target? We're gonna take over here first. We're gonna clean up here and then we come here. Okay. So keep a close eye. We are buying pound card. If you want to know pattern, this is pattern. This is impulse. This is A. This is a B. This is C. And this is going up. Okay. So those who trade C to C, like I explained to you again on Saturday, this is a classical example. So we are buying until we break the top. If you use your FIB, those who are FIB traders, you can find this one there. I will use different type of FIB. Like I said to you guys, that not all the FIBs that you know where people. So 414 is my target, and this will be the 414 target. That's what I said to you today. You see, so this is my first TP. It will come back for correction. they will head up. Okay, so what do we do now? You go to 1 hour time frame, you wait for pullback here. It's gonna come to give us a little bit of pullback here. Then we are going. So anytime you got this is your impulse. A, B, we're gonna get the C wave and we go. I'm only explaining to you the structure and the patterns. I don't use them anymore, but I can see them as simple as it is. I can really recognize patterns. That's why we do pattern recognitions in the course. We do pattern recognitions, how to recognize patterns before they unfold. Okay, characteristics of patterns. All the pound pairs are showing us a buy, so keep your eyes on the pound pairs for some buys. It's gonna come and take this. So you have these few pips first, do correction, and then we are going. Okay, so when you hit down here, take your money, and let's see the daily time frame. How is it doing here? My trading view doesn't save the charts. So anytime I do updates, it doesn't save. I have to keep doing it all the time, all over and all over again. So some of the charts you see, it was an old forecast, but because it's not saving the update, it's just giving me a little bit of headache. Okay, so we are coming here. This is our target. Take this one first, and then we see the next step. Okay, so this week we are buying the pound. The pound pair is on buying rate, so we go for it. We're buying up to here. We make a correction here, then we are going. Can it come down? First, we take this buy. After this buy, we come down here, and then we go. Okay. Pound New Zealand. I personally took a buy last night, and what the funny thing is that the spread was too much that I did not even pay attention. I'm in a buy at the moment, and the spread was too much. So let's see how it goes today, and we see how much we're gonna clean. But for me, it's not a problem because I bought it exactly at the bottom here. I bought it here. I bought it here, buy limit. But they tagged me somewhere here, like a spread. The spread is too crazy. It was too much. So let it go. I'm in a buy already. So keep your eyes on the buy. Which one? Pound Chief. Also, you can see from here that I'm looking for market to come down here. Then we buy. So wait for this move. Then we buy again. Okay. New Zealand dollar. Some of these pairs I don't really like to go around there because it's just people don't really trade. Yeah, like I explained to you again that I'm waiting for 6. I don't know why these things are here, but I believe that it was the weekend forecast I was explaining to you about 786, 886. That when I flip this one, market to be ranging here exactly 7,886. If not, I'm not buying. And this is what he's doing now. We can put the flip there. Then you see exactly how I use the Isaac Magic 786, 886. Here is it. Then you can see clearly that is in the box. You see, so that is the way I personally trade most of the time with the Isaac Magic rules. If the market is not in your box, you don't take the trade, which is one of the discipline things that I personally gain as a trader. All is about discipline because every teacher speaks about risk management. But which method do we use as a risk manager, as a trader? Everybody talk about it, and yet all of us lose money. So I came up with the Isaac Magic 786, 887, which is discipline. If it's not in that position, you will never be in the market because you're waiting for the market to be in your box before you take. If the bus is not in the stop, I'm not going to jump because when you jump in the bus, whilst it's moving, you will die. And we have to wait for the market to stop in our position before we get in. Okay? All right. This is also a nice buy. Okay? We can go for the buy before we see what will happen next. Okay? So we are buying to touch the stop. This is your target. Go for the buy. It's a buy. Okay? Take your buy. And then next week, I will do some, let me go for pound, dollar, yen. Dollar, yen. Okay, it's already gone. It's already gone. I was about to tell you about the buyers that you guys should be looking for. Sorry, but it's good. Okay, let's go. It's still a buy. Okay, this pair is in the mood of it's in the buying range. So now this will be your target. I'll give you the long-term target. This is likely to come and complete here. All right. This, when you see move like this, when you see a move like that, first bounce, the second one, second bounce. This is going to give you a breakout or a rejection. So we are buying this until this level. Then we will take our profit to see what it does here. There's likely to be another one here. It's accumulating some orders. Okay, so we still have one more to go. All right. And next week, I will try to do maybe gold, oil, and silver, S&P, sugar. I will do some of the natural gas, some commodities and indices. I will try next week to do some for you guys so that you will be able to see some of the USDs. It's my best friend, isn't it? Yeah, it's a buy, okay? You can see from here that in the daily time frame, we focus for the buys, and it's still going nicely. I'm personally looking for some sell because the sell give you a positive swap. So I'm looking for that. And this is a buy. Those who are in it, you can look for buy. You see this thing here already that is giving us an arrow of upside, okay? So keep your eyes for the buy. Every correction you buy, you can wait for I actually like this thing to be taken earlier in the days, you know what I mean, earlier. But let's see how it goes. We are already hitting the buy. When you break out from here, you are in bonanza, okay? PMV. When you break out from here, we are going. So keep a close eye. There's going to be a very sharp move in the non-farm payroll for this guy. So keep a close eye on it. Okay, guys, I don't want to keep the recordings long, and I want to make it as simple as possible. So what do? You can like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to post this on my channel. If you are not in my Telegram channel, please subscribe to join the Telegram channel. And we're going to start our classes very soon, probably next week, because everything is being sent. Emails and things have been sent to the clients, or the students will receive it. So let's see how things go. And I say thank you very much and enjoy yourself. If any question, just send your message to the administrator on Isaac Magic Academy or community. Thank you very much and stay strong. Make some money, forget about the noise, but just make some money. That's my greatest desire, is to see everybody making money. Bye-bye.